All right, people are always asking me, what tools should I buy? What do I need for my tool collection? So today, I'm gonna tell you guys about my top 6 tools. Just made the decision to film this whole video at the back of my truck. Number 1 tool in my collection goes with me almost everywhere. The Bosch 8.5-inch sliding miter saw. You have probably seen this in almost every single one of my building videos. I love this tool. It's small, it's portable, you can take it anywhere, and it is a workhorse. Number 2, the 18-inch Headlamp Pro chainsaw. This thing will cut through anything. Any tree, any log stumps that you're dealing with. And when the blade gets dull, I got a chain sharpening video for you. Don't forget your helmet, your ear protection, your head protection, and your eye protection when you're using a chainsaw. Very important. This is a must. Milwaukee Sawzall, 18 volt, massive battery. That's the M18 XC. You can get even bigger batteries, but the XC 3.0. Having a Sawzall without a cord, game changer right there. You know what else is an awesome addition to that? Get yourself the tree pruning blade made by Diablo. Put these two things together and you can take down anything. Next, we have the Petzl Tikka head. Is it on? The Petzl Tikka headlamp. Love this thing. This thing goes with me everywhere. Camping, cottage, if you're trying to work under a truck, anything like that. I don't even know how many lumens it has. I've had it for so long. There's probably so many better ones now, but I love this one. This one goes with me everywhere. Are you ready for this? Bosch 18 volt Jigsaw. This thing, again, I am all about the cordless. Get some blades. You can get so many different style blades. You get fine tooth, you can get rough cut blades. A new blade that I have recently discovered is the carbon tip blade that gives you the cleanest edge I have ever seen. Shout out to my wife. This was a Christmas present. My Stihl BR350 backpack leaf blower. This thing has so much power. It starts every time so easily. Watch this. I don't even need to put my foot on it. This thing is fun to use. That's it. Those are my six of my top tools.